Are you someone who is going to appear for AIB this year? And do you have just 1 month left? Don't worry, I cleared mine in a month, and in this video, I'll share exactly how I did it. Hi, my name is Pallavi, aka The Adventurous Lawyer. I am currently practicing as an advocate and also pursuing LLM along with it. I am going to give you my strategy in 3 simple points. If you follow this, I'm sure you will be able to clear AIB in your first attempt itself. So first things first, do not try to read everything. It's very tempting, I know, but don't try to remember everything. It's not possible to memorize every section in a month, right? So instead, what I'll recommend, try to get familiarized with the index of major Bayer Acts like CPC, CRPC, BNS, BNSS, etc. Take a Bayer Act every day just to go through the index of the Bayer Acts. Okay, it will help you a lot. You can relate with this. Moving on to the next. So previous year's question papers are your best friend. Okay, you will easily find the question papers online and get them printed and try to solve at least 1 paper per day. You can solve the question paper from the beginning to end as it is, or you can follow what I did. Just take the question paper and take a Bayer Act and try to solve question papers related to that Bayer Act only. Suppose I'm taking Evidence Act. Okay, what I'll do, suppose I have taken 2015's question paper, so I'll not solve all the questions from different topics. I'll only try to find questions from this act. I'll take one act at a time and solve questions regarding that Bayer Act only. And then I'll again take another question paper and try to solve all the questions related to Evidence Act. In this way, what it will do, it will help you looking for the answer. It will train your brain how to look for answers and which sections are more relevant than the other sections. So that's how I did. You will get to know which sections are more important. And third tip will be make lists. Here I want you to make 3 lists. 1 list for landmark case laws, 2nd list for legal maxims, and there is another list which you can make where it's optional, but it will only benefit if you do that. You can make again a list for the enactment dates. Okay, you will need to write down the name of the major acts and just write down the date of enactment of it and the date on which it came into force. These 2 dates are important. I saw the questions coming from that enactment date, so it will also benefit you if you do that. How to do it? I'm telling you how to do it. While you are solving questions, just take another pen and paper with you, and you are going to write down the name of that landmark case law, and just beside write down why this case law is important. I'm giving you example. Yes, I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. I made notes. So for example, if you write Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan, this case law is for sexual harassment of women at the workplace. Similarly, we'll find Shah Bano versus MD Amit Khan for maintenance. And don't get confused between Shaira Bano and Shah Begum. Okay, these are different. You got it? This way you will make a list of landmark case laws while solving papers. Write it why the case law is important right next to the case law, name of the case law. Now it's clear. And for the second list for legal maxims, you will also do the same. Just write down that legal maxim and write the meaning of it in a very short way. You will come across many such legal maxims, and one such I'm giving you for an example. Doli incapax. What does that mean? You know it. Doli incapax means incapable of committing offense. So, and also you mention which section of IPC this legal principle applies on the children who are below 7 years of age. You find it in section 82 of IPC. Okay, in this way, this becomes very helpful if you follow your own notes. This way it will help you revise, and it's very much possible to do all this within a month. So to summarize, do not try to memorize everything. Rather, Just get familiarized with the index of the major acts. Then start solving previous year's question papers and make those 3 lists which I mentioned. So yeah, 1 month is sufficient if you follow the right plan. This strategy worked for me and it can work for you too if you just stay consistent. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in my comment section. I'll upload more AI related contents, so you may consider subscribing if you are interested, and I'd love to answer. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.